Next feature is messaging. Messaging is generally a call to a method is referred to as a message. Method means function. Means when one function is called, it is called a message. And all method calls are handled by objects that recognize the method. For example, in our program, there are two classes. For example, time and person. Two classes are there, and inside time and person, there are different objects. But both these classes are having same method, that is display. Okay, to get the output. So when this display method is called, how to know which display method for time class or person class is being called? Okay, when method display is invoked in the program, how to know which method is to be executed? This is determined using the object that invokes the method. For example, if any object from time class is invoking this display method, at that time display method which is assigned to time class will be called. And when any object of person class invokes this message, at that time, when any object of person class invokes this method display, at that time we should know that display method which is defined in person class is being called. Now next is polymorphism. Polymorphism simply means many forms. For example, in object oriented programming, it supports more than one method having same name. That means one function with same name at more than one place, but different signatures in a single class. And this feature is known as function or method overloading. Okay, let's see example of polymorphism. So first, object oriented programming allows writing expression using operators on objects. Okay, so now for example, if there is a function to find out date 1 minus date 2, that means difference between two given dates. And second example is number 1 minus number 2, that is difference between two given numbers. So in both the operator is same, that is subtraction, but the method of finding the result is different. So here with same function we are doing calculation differently. So this is called operator overloading.